Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a professional and visually appealing website for your landscaping business using the Wix Studio. So whether you offer lawn care, garden design, or full-scale landscaping services, a great website is key to attracting new clients. And the best part here, guys, is you don't need coding skills. So as you can see here, guys, you just need to go to their website and then you'll be able to see here the dashboard and then tap this one, guys, which is the create new site here. And they will have these options, which is you can create by scratch, which is a blank canvas, and they offer also a template from them, guys. So here, guys, you can browse through templates and choose one that matches your branding style. So when you tap on this one, and you will be directed to their page, which is this one. So here, guys, you can search here in the search bar. You can type landscaping or gardening to find relevant templates here, guys. So I'm gonna type it here. So depending on you, guys, you can either type here landscaping or the gardening. So here, and when we tap on this one, so here, guys, depending on you if you want to view it first or you want to edit it directly, you just need to tap on the view button or the edit button here. So click edit to start customizing the template. So you'll be directed to the other page, which is this one. So by this one, guys, you can first edit the brand name. So you can see here, you can change the logo and you can also change the brand name here, guys. So here there are different kinds of elements here that you can add or edit here. So when you try to tap on this one, you can edit the logo, which is tap on this change basic shape. And here, guys, depending on you and you, what you want here. So this is just a tutorial disclaimer, guys. This is just depending on me, but when you make your own, guys, make sure that you can have your own logo or depend on this one. So here I'm also gonna change the brand name. So what you're gonna do here is you just need to tap on that one. So here I'm gonna name here, for example, to that one is this one. So by clicking on the text boxes, guys, you can edit your business name and of course the tagline, guys. Upload your logo by clicking on the header and select change logo. Here, guys, you can also change the tagline, guys, depending on you. So I'm gonna change here, guys, and of course you can also change the background image, guys, to a high quality image of a landscape yard or a garden. So what I'm gonna do here is this one, where nature meets perfect. So I'm just gonna try to edit the background, guys. So here you'll be able to see here the call to action button. Like here, guys, you can request a code or view our services here. So what you're gonna do here is to tap on that one and then change the text here. So for example, to that one is tap on this one. So right after tapping this one, you'll be able to see this one, the button settings, and then change the text, guys, for example, to book now. So here the visitors will directly see this one, and once they tap on that one, they can contact you depending on what type of here. So here you can link your page, the phone number, the document, or the email, guys. And here, guys, you can click on the pages and menu in the left panel by selecting add page, name its services, and then click done. Also, guys, list your landscaping services, which is the lawn maintenance, the garden design, the hardscaping, the tree care, the irrigation system. And then here, guys, by changing the background, you just need to double tap on that one. And here, for example, to that one is, you can see here, this is the space to introduce the business and what it has to offer. So here you can define the qualities and the values that make it unique. And right here guys, this is the space to introduce the service section. So here guys, briefly describe the types of the services offered and highlight any special benefits or the features guys. So in adding your own services guys, make sure to use a high quality images and brief descriptions for your service guys. So as you can see here guys, you can tap on this change image button, and here you can upload your own image guys of your garden or your landscaping. You just need to tap on upload media, but in this video guys, I'm just gonna use a stock images from the Wix Studio. So here I'm just gonna choose a perfect image that will suit on my website. So take note guys, this is just an example. So I am using stock images from the Wix Studio. So here guys, make sure guys to introduce the services, and here is first service guys. So here you can add or introduce the services section. So briefly describe the type of service offered here guys. So make sure guys to choose your own picture guys, and not the one that just another garden guys. So here guys, as you can see here, you can also go to add elements and then go to the contact and forms, and then right after that one, you can drag and drop a contact form onto the page, and of course customize the form fields to include the name, the email, the phone number, and then the message. You can add a Google Map widget to display your service area. You can also include a testimonial section guys, which is this one. Here guys, you can use the client reviews guys to paste it here guys. And here, which is the contact us. As you can see here, I am making here a contact form, and then here is the call to action button, which is the submit button here. So right after that one is you can also try to explore the Wix guys. Here guys, you can choose a professional solutions to power your Wix website. You can by like marketing, how to sell online, the service and events. And here, when you tap on this one guys, you can manage your service or add your services and start making money guys. So here you can also tap on that one, and then here is the dashboard where you can be set up your business guys, which is the booking calendar, how are you getting paid, the pricing plans, and then the gift cards guys. So depending on you guys, and right after that one, we just need to publish on this one, which is in the top right corner. And in here, I'm just gonna name this one landscaping. And here guys, you can use your own domain or connect your own customized domain or get a free Wix Studio domain. So I'm just gonna use a Wix Studio domain and then save and continue. And right after that one, you'll be able to see there the view site, and then you just need to tap on this one. And right after now one guys, you will now have a professional landscaping business website ready to attract new clients. And of course guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.